Hey y'all, cutting up, keeping it real. If we are really keeping it real today, just so you know, it's a little bit crazy. But I wanted to show y'all how I'm going to do the roux, the cheese roux for the macaroni and cheese for 60 for Matthew and Victoria's wedding rehearsal. I'm also going to be mixing in the beans as well, the baked beans. So here's what I've done so far. I have browned 3 pounds of Nice's sausage. I did 1 hot and 2 regular. I also cut up 6 slices of bacon to put that in there. That's going to be ready to go into the beans in just a few minutes. I've also melted 2 sticks of butter for the roux, which you can see right there. And I'm getting ready to heat that up, put the milk in, then do the roux, and I'll show you how to do that. So stay tuned, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. The butts are on the grill, and we're going to be doing the cabbage a little later as well. Picked that up at Smith Farms. Thank you so much, Tamara. They look great. I can't wait to eat them. So stay tuned. We're going to be cooking, cutting up, and keeping it real all day. Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Home stretch here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to mix up these beans. Now, if you remember correctly, I browned 3 pounds of sausage and about 6 slices of bacon earlier to put in the beans. So let me get started here. Make sure everything's open. Okay. Ketchup, mustard, molasses, or honey. Molasses is preferable. Ketchup, mustard, molasses, the sausage mixture, and brown sugar. So here we go. Okay, that wasn't supposed to fall in there. I think I'm going to do 2 per container. I don't want them running over. And I want to be able to put them on the grill as well. That might be a little bit too much. Hold on. Let me get a little bit of this out. Excuse me. Yeah, probably a can and a half, that size. Let's go ahead and do this one too. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay. Now, this doesn't really have a measurement to it. You just kind of have to go with it. So, you know, use your imagination. I'm also going to add a little bit of Worcestershire. And I'm going to add a little bit of onion powder. Hang on. I'll be back. Something just fell. A little bit of Worcestershire. Give it just a little bit of a bite. Not too much. The mustard also will give it a little bit of a bite. Some people use real onions. I don't, because my folks don't like onions. So there you have it. Okay, mustard. Not too much mustard. Some brown sugar, about a ½ cup in each one. And then I'm going to taste it to see if that's how I want it, sweet enough and all that good stuff. Molasses. I'm going to say about a 1/4 cup. Not quite a 1/4 cup actually, but again, taste it. See if that's how you like it when you do yours. Molasses is really sweet, so it doesn't take a lot of that. Put some of the sausage mixture in here. Sausage bacon mixture without the grease. I'm going to give this a stir. Some people lay bacon strips over the top of their baked beans, which is fine, great, whatever trips your trigger. Okay, this one's a little bit, I'm going to pull some of the sauce out of this one. Anyway. Get that good and mixed up so I can make sure I taste all the flavors. And you don't want to taste one over the other. You know what I mean? Look, I'm talking like y'all really can talk back to me. Okay. I know a little bit on the tired side. Okay. Okay. Now let me grab a spoon. How appropriate, my John Deere spoon. Let's get a bite from the bottom. Shut the front door. Just saying. So there you have it, baked beans. I'm going to put these in a 350-degree oven for about an hour or so, and then I'll move them to the grill later on when we get ready to serve, so they'll stay nice and hot. But there you have it, baked beans. And I think that's all the vlogging for right now. I'm going to take a nap, and we'll come back to you with the cabbage about 2 o'clock. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Thanks for watching.